Questions, confusion, and mounting frustration tonight in Alabama as the state's largest hospital swiftly halts all IVF procedures, just days after the Alabama Supreme Court ruled frozen embryos must be treated as children, meaning people can be sued for destroying them. The University of Alabama at Birmingham saying today it's saddened that it must stop all IVF as it evaluates the potential that our patients and physicians could be prosecuted criminally or face punitive damages for following the standard of care.
My rage knows no bounds.
Abby Crane, a patient at UAB with frozen embryos she hopes to use soon, first saw the news on Instagram but has heard nothing from the hospital.
I just want to be a mom, and it's wild to me that the state that I've called home has more say over that than I do right now.
The court decision leaving doctors in a legal bind, given that frozen embryos with genetic abnormalities are routinely discarded before implantation as part of fertility treatments so that patients avoid miscarriages or other complications.
I anticipate hearing from my doctor soon, but I have no clue what that's going to look like. I have no clue if it means that I need to move to another state in order to have children. I mean, it could be anything.
The decision reaching far beyond Alabama. Tonight, Nikki Haley telling NBC News' Ali Vitale she agrees with the court.
Embryos to me are babies.
But back in Birmingham, uncertainty. Megan Cole's surrogate is scheduled for implantation with a frozen embryo this Friday.
My husband and I want a child desperately.
For now, she can only wait to hear if her fertility clinic will go forward with the procedure.
I just hate not knowing, and that's kind of what this opinion has caused. It's caused a lot of people to be in limbo, which is unfair.
Laura, do you get the sense other clinics and hospitals may follow suit here and halt IVF treatments?
Well, Lester, we called around to several clinics today to try to find out what's the plan, what's the path forward, and no one seemed to have a clear answer. Even though this decision came out last week, they still seem very much trying to evaluate their next steps, Lester.
All right, Laura, thank you. Thanks for watching. Stay updated about breaking news and top stories on the NBC News app or follow us on social media.